First beer's on Lisa, right?
Right, they were talking about going to lunch after, huh?
That's what I said, first beer's on Lisa since her son owns the place. She didn't show up.
She could do that. There's supposed to be 27 people, now there's only 10, so yeah, she can
That's
do that,
normal.
Right?
50% drop.
What? So too close here, so.
Look at that, look how many people have their life jackets on. Isn't that cool? This is Thousand Islands, the beginning of it. And the lady that runs the show didn't show up. You're learning. Hey, was that a big alligator over there? Paddle backwards. Paddle backwards. Left side. Left side. Right side, paddle forward. Right side, paddle forward. There you go. Can canoe, same thing. Left paddle, left side paddle backwards. Left side paddle backwards. Left side paddle backwards again. And right side paddle forward. You got it.
Thank you.
Ooh. Just paddle on the left side. You're okay. It's like I-4, right?
Yeah. The rush hour. I can't get it. It's all stuck.
Low bridge, high bridge, huh? Put your hands a little further apart. About another 6 inches. There you go. This is like a dive boat. You're allowed a 10% loss, right? 20 people go out, you get back with 18. You guys are doing okay.
We're surviving, huh?
Well, one of the reasons you're back and forth so much is your kayaks are really short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you had a little longer, it'd be a little more stable, but that's a good learning one.
Well, look at you.
Huh?
You got even have a rudder.
Well, yeah, this is too shallow for a rudder.
That was it. Okay.
It's easier just doing it by hand, right? You giving out the beer ration?
Yeah. Alita doesn't want to check on everybody else yet.
Hey, first one's on releaser, right?
Everybody doing okay?
Yeah.
How's that fold-up kayak doing up there? What are those fingernails? Those long? Oh my God!
Yep, I gotta come next week. I'm going. Space Coast has a hiking, and we're going to clean some.
Is that for
trails.
grabbing somebody's throat and ripping it out?
Right. So I have to cut them off because I'm planning trails next weekend.
So where's home? Where's home?
Oh, home? Rockledge.
Rockledge?
Rockledge.
That's real far, isn't it?
Original home was Compton. But they can have
I think this is the way, guys.
No, this way is a trail.
You sure?
Yes, positive. Yeah, there's a marker. That one takes you into a little open pond and then you can get anywhere.
Okay, I was looking at
Yeah,
it.
yours really long.
Huh?
Yours
15.
really long for me.
Yeah, for me, short. Oh, yeah, you're right. I see that now. Ah! Sorry about that.
Got stuck.
Paying attention to my map rather than where I'm going.
She got a long kayak and short kayaks this time.
So how long does it take you to drive to home to Rockledge? That sounds like a long endurance drive, right? Or do you fly there?
20 minutes.
You Filipino?
African American, Native American, and I thought it was Luxembourgian, but after 23andMe, it is Irish.
Yeah, I'm 100% Irish. The Irish are great people, and if we stop drinking, we can rule the world again, but it ain't gonna happen. That's just to show you turn right back there, or turn left. You're gonna get down here a little bit, and there's a really narrow thing you can turn right. Down a ways, you're gonna turn right. Little narrow channel.
I was just in Tampa, Joe, and my daughter and I went kayaking over there, saw one of the biggest gators I've seen on a kayak trail. Yeah. Because I was at St. John's, I know I've seen monsters, I've seen dinosaurs out there, but this was like right off of USF campus, and I was like, whoa. We saw about 3 or 4 gators. One crossed our path. But a huge one was on the bank. Just a little Parks and Rec area for USF. Like, right off the campus. I was just proud that she didn't freak out because we were in a tandem.
Come toward you, kind of go under the boat?
Yeah, that was the one that crossed our path. She's like, oh my God, I think I feel it up under me. I remember when we were, was it Fox Lake? I think you guys were telling me.
Yeah.
They were like, oh, there's a gator. And I wasn't paying attention, and you guys were like, why are you going towards the gator?
Be quiet. That was your grass is 2 foot.
Yeah. The grass was thick over
It
there.
was pretty thick some places.
So far, I like Sebastian the best out of the. No, when I stayed for the bioluminescence over by the Brewer Bridge.
Sorry about that.
Oh,
That
okay.
was pretty awesome. It was Michelle G and I stayed.
That was it was canceled, but you guys stayed in.
Yeah.
So you don't want to stand up, huh?
We stayed.
I could probably be better sitting out.
It's good training.
I got a snag back there. Right, correct?
Right. Yeah, it's narrow.
What Dana's doing.
Goes for about 50, 100 feet.
Yeah.
She wanted to go on to St. John's. Well, we probably should wait till at least some of those like 46 is open
Yeah.
before we head out. Peanut Island.
No, I forget what I don't know why my weekends are so packed that
That was
like,
during the week.
oh no, that was it was during the day, that's what it was. And my boss is already mad at me that I'm crunching 40 hours in a 4 days so I can take my Fridays off so I can do the hiking
Oh, right, okay.
stuff because that hiking stuff starts Friday morning.
You have to manage.
Yeah. And if they want work-life balance, if this makes me happy, like I'll put in your 40.
It's good to have long arms back here, huh?
Right.
Where's your life jacket and whistle?
I think it's in the car.
You know, you're required to have it when you're on a sup, right? Say again? We're almost out. We're almost done there.
No, I don't think so. But I don't know. I've never been
I
on
want to hang out on the right side of these people and wait for him, and we're gonna let everyone else pack, and then we'll keep going on.
You're gonna run into a lot of kayakers going this way, guys. Hey, you're gonna run into a lot of kayakers really narrow.
Yeah, we're gonna hold up right here.
Okay.
I just got one more coming.
Yeah, we're gonna let them come out.
Yeah, this takes us out. The magic question to go left or right.
You're gonna take it right. That will take you a couple more hours out here.
So you guys decided to do it backwards, right?
Yeah. I like to go this way to kind of show people that never kayaked before. It's more open on this side, then it gets more narrow down there.
That's where the way the tour guys go.
So they practice a little
If
bit
you just want
before
to
they
hang out
get
with
it.
them up front, we're gonna let these
Well, that is a kayak.
Huh?
I said that is a kayak.
What?
So yeah, that's the way tour guides go. So I'm touring this group right now.
Is that what you got?
That's how you make the big bucks, right?
I make good money and enjoy the water every day.
Cool.
Perfect job.
Better you than me. I'd rather do it for fun.
All right, guys, appreciate that.
Have a great time. Nice to see you have everybody with life jackets on.
Norman would be fine.
Yeah, stand up here. That's all.
Is the other sup the first person? If you're the first person, when you get out, turn right and wait for everybody else.
I'm caught. It's a back. Sorry, people. What? Oh, yeah. I'd be done. I don't know.
Let me make sure on the map.
Wait, hold on, someone's checking.
Oh, that's it. There's you got map. You got pole there. You can probably stand up from here.
Have you done this one before?
Huh?
Have you done this?
Oh, a dozen times a couple of years ago. Just I wanted to do it again to remap it. I got a GPS going and a video going, so I got lots of pictures of your back.
That's probably why you want me to have the lights and not. That's why I make it look good, but I'm not following the rules.
But I thought that if you have your Z shot, that you have that your board is your location.
No, lights actually sees your head.
We've gone 0.2 miles in 7 minutes.
Well, the life jackets that we have won't keep you out of the water if you're not out. What do they do? Down in the water? Float down in the water.
Easy there. So, no, is that a life jacket?
No.
You know you require a life jacket and whistle?
Well, I asked, and they said I didn't have to worry about it, but I thought if you're attached with
Any-
your leash to your board, that the board is your flotation.
Anytime you're on the water.
What?
Anytime you're on the water.
Even on a paddleboard.
Anytime you're on the
attached
water.
to the leash?
Paddleboard or kayak or whatever.
Well, I have it in the truck. Does that count?
If you fall over in heavy water and you got to call for somebody, that's what your whistle does.
That's right. I do have a whistle on my life jacket.
And
I wear it when I go in the bioluminescence at night.
I don't know if you guys are interested, but if you got the afternoon off and want to stop down Turkey Creek,
Oh, today?
yeah, I'll be down there about 2 o'clock.
Yeah, my youngest is at he plays competitive soccer. I'm going to be headed up to Viera after this.
It's quite different from this. It's fairly wide, about twice as wide as this. First half of it, you got mangroves here and trees here. Second half is kind of like this, but it's all overgrown.
I love it.
And the hassle is, if you're down there, you got to be careful because people say that every once in a while they can hear somebody playing a banjo.
Uh-oh.
You,
Bear.
yeah, you seen the movie Deliverance, right?
Yes.
Okay. In fact,
But I was little.
I got my iPhone. I got it on my iPhone, but I left my iPhone home. And sometimes we go play it. We go around. Okay, if you go left, you're gonna get lost. If you're gonna go, let's find out where everybody wants to go.
I think they said to go right, or did you say to go right?
Yeah, let's just wait for everybody else. Huh?
Tip. Take when I get to the boat, take my things out.
Or even like tip you out to get you off.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the dive boats?
Yeah, I just don't like getting it all together and all up.
Well, my husband will get it all together for you.
I need to know.
Oh, do you like to dive? Do you like to dive?
I do, and I haven't done it lately just because I'm too lazy
Do you have all the
get it all
equipment?
together.
Do you have all the equipment?
Huh?
Do you have all the equipment?
No, I just, I have the basics. I rent the tanks.
Do you have a BC?
No, I just rent it. Because, every few years they come out with something better. At the dive shop next to my house.
My husband dives all the time, so we own all of it.
Okay,
And a bunch
yeah.
of tanks and all that.
I used to, and then
If you guys are going down there, there's about 20 people coming out.
20 more behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
total.
That's okay. We're not in a hurry.
Then you can start down. It's pretty wide at the beginning. How you doing there?
Great.
You guys all local?
Yeah.
Very cool. I like seeing local guys.
You the leader of the pack?
Shut up.
This is our tour. We're
What makes you
foreigners.
local? How many years?
How many years makes you local? I don't know. Were you born here? No.
I say 4.
Okay, I'm a local then. I've been here for 20.
Well, we did 0.3 miles in 11 minutes.
I feel better about my running then.
Huh? What?
We've only been on the water 11 minutes. At least I'm not beating myself on top. I'm just kidding. No, I know it doesn't seem like much.
Essentially, there's going to be 2 routes. One, when we turn around here, you can go to the right, and that kind of heads you back, or the second one is straight across. I'm probably going to go straight across.
This is a great picture right here.
Will you be staying with the group or
Huh? Say again?
will you be with us or you'll be leaving us?
I mean, I'm going straight across if anybody wants to come in.
Okay, you're just doing a big open water?
It's not really big open water. I mean, it's semi. You can see it now. It's not that bad. There's no wind.
I don't remember telling you that. Are you sure?
Either that, or you can turn around here and follow this back, and that'll take you back to where you started.
Are we going back the way we came?
You can do whatever you want.
I just wondered.
You're a big young lady.
So is there another way to come back without having to go through again?
Yeah, it said this is all open water now.
Okay, so that's it.
No more. That's the end of the mangroves.
I got it.
Yeah, we got a big group here, doesn't there? Turn around and smile to the candid camera.
Yeah, I moved back after the
beautiful It is.
I would have, but my husband at the time wanted to come to meet my family in Florida. And then, there's no way I could buy a house right now. It was hard enough to get that done. But then he left after a year and a half. He didn't like being a parent. He liked us all, but he just didn't want the responsibility. Hold up, Kayak, right? I never wanted it. He did.
Oh my God.
First time it was scary, but I've had many kayaks.
I'm going to attempt to go straight across and down that way.
Oh, okay.
I happen to have a map. See if I can follow it.
And it goes in my trunk. So every time I see a body of water, I can jump out and go.
So, Walter, you're part of the original group then?
Say again?
You're part of the original group?
Oh yeah, I started with Tom 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I said I used to have a sit on top. I used to dive off it. And,
really?
Yeah, I did that for a lot of years and got tired of it. And I didn't do anything in a while. And when Tom first started, I said, hey, yeah, I'll go with you. And then I was with him for a couple of years, and I got this. Bought this brand new. This is kind of a beginner sit-in. And I got 2 others. I got a 17-foot and an 18-foot racing kayak that I race with.
Really? And it's also pretty narrow then?
Say again?
Your 18 foot's pretty narrow?
Yeah, compared to what you have, yeah. We have a 5K race down in Tom Bay every Tuesday night.
Oh, that paddling paradise.
Yeah. That's kind of nice. I'm up to like, I think 4.7 miles an hour. The goal is to get to 5, then get to 5.5 miles an hour. But it's cool. We got some really unbelievable talent down there that, I mean, they're just, I can't believe this. The speed they're going is unreal.
Really? Okay.
It's cool to see that. And then the owner, Dan, he'll go on a paddleboard and stand on his head. So, I mean, there's talent down there that blow your mind, which is great. I'm just trying to figure out with my map, do I go a little bit to the right? I think I go a little bit to the left of that island ahead and maybe get across. You guys gonna go to the right and head back?
I'm not sure.
You wanna look at the map? Oh, you got a rudder on that, huh?
Yeah. It's an aftermarket rudder.
Yeah,
I've always wanted a rudder, so I put one on.
I mean, it helps a lot for. So in here, it's a waste, but
Yeah.
you know, out you just use the rudder to aim for your target.
On course.
Wind's picking up a little bit. Feels like it's out of the southeast. That shouldn't bother us.
So when yours is deployed, then can you actually turn with your rudder?
I can, yeah.
Yeah. So you have foot pegs, or
Say again?
do you have foot pegs?
Yeah, foot pegs on it. Yeah, my other two kayaks have both a skeg and a rudder, and I kind of like the rudder better than the skeg.
Yeah, hear that?
I'd almost say if there's any beginners, they should probably turn right and go back. So is that rum runners in your jug behind you?
Rum runners, yes. Absolutely.
So we got everybody with us behind us?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Said we're allowed 10% loss.
Like 19 boats.
19?
19.
I'm gonna take a look at that island and see what it looks like. But I think we go to the left of it. There's an opening that way.